what are the components of making a repair?
Okay. Well, I suppose in order for us to need and want to make a repair, there's going to have been some kind of rupture. So maybe we think about, what do we mean by a rupture? We're talking about ruptures in connection between us and another being. So where the flow of, I suppose to refer to our last conversation, that sense of being in resonance with that other being gets disrupted in some way. And that doesn't have to be a big blow up. Those are probably the ruptures that we might think most immediately of when we think about breakdowns in resonance and connection in relationships. It could be subtle. It could be a drifting. It could be something that triggers us that we perhaps aren't even aware of in the moment has triggered us. But our reaction to that is to withdraw slightly. And so now there's distance and perhaps some coolness where formerly there was closeness and warmth. So